I'm doing it today. I'm gonna eat the best fried chicken in Boston. And it's made by these Koreans here in Boston's Chinatown. Don't sleep on Mad Crave for Chicken. #1 chicken in the world. Not for nothing, they got a really nice menu. It's real easy to read, check it out. They got the nice logo. Simple layout. And great service. I didn't ask for the water, but they already gave it to us. So I appreciate that. Man, this place is dope. This is the calamari. It's so dope. It's cooked to perfection. It's got a great texture, it's crispy, and it's got 2 delicious dipping sauces. So I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Mad Crave for Chicken. Here it is in all its glory. The best chicken in Boston.
And yet, like, we're doing just as well as the next guy that did it.
By the way, they got 3 levels of spice: mad, angry, furious. And I highly recommend staying away from furious, because it's no joke. Always have cold water when you're eating this. I'm about to dig in, because this is to die for.